Stay safe with Milwaukee hard hats with 6-point ratcheting suspension. Adapt to your job site. It features a bolt headlamp mount that is compatible with Milwaukee and most other professional brand headlamps. Milwaukee hard hats include 6 accessory slots, 4 bolt and 2 universal to secure additional accessories. Made in the USA, these hard hats include an adjustable swinging ratchet for better comfort and a ratcheting suspension to quickly adjust to fit your head. Milwaukee hard hats are ANSI Type 1 rated and third-party approved. These 6-point hard hats are Class C vented or Class E unvented. They are available in front and full brim styles and come in 8 different colors. Milwaukee hard hats let you adapt to your job site. Stay safe, stay productive.